morning. In today's InvestGlass Power Boost, I'm going to show you how to change the portfolio management chart's colors. Here you see I have a greenish nuancier from a light green to a dark green. To change that, go to Settings, My Account Company, and then look for the settings here, down the page of the setup of your company. Look for the design, and there you'll be able to change the different colors of the charts. Well, here I don't have the right number. I haven't set yet a bluish color. So what I will do is I will just look for blue. Here, for instance, this type of blue. Find the lightest color first for the chart color 1. Copy it, Control C. Then in the chart color 2, Control V. And then I will just use my mouse to look for a darker blue. Okay. And adjust it. Perhaps this one is a bit too light compared to the one before. Okay, and this one I can put it a bit differently. Okay. So then you created your nuancier of color from a light blue to a dark blue. Just click Save and then click on Refresh. So all the settings of the portfolio and the PDF will be found here. Okay, so in My Account Company, into the design, everything will be accessible from here. Okay, and now let's look into this portfolio, and voila, now everything is blue. Thank you for watching this InvestGlass Power Boost, and see you next time.